Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I'm Dr. Garrett Castleberry, our instructor for COMM4103, Special Topics in Media Studies. Mythic Media in America is our sub-theme, our topical focus for this course. And every week we're going to have a video discussion prompt that the instructor will provide, as well as an additional video discussion space where you could pose your own question or questions based on the readings. It could be the readings relating to course materials, Myth of American Superhero, superhero comics, the book from Gallagher, or Gavler, or it could be from one of the graphic novels that we ask you to invest in, acquire, practice reading through each week. And so you can come at it from different directions. And one of the things we want to be able to do is put more discussion prompts in the students' hands. So you're going to get one prompt from the instructor end each week, and then you're going to be producing a kind of discussion prompt on the other end. And we'll see how well that works out. And in a large class, that suggests we're going to get a lot of feedback, and it affords for people to sometimes have to stagger in their schedules, as we know students do. But we're in a healthy space right now, but hopefully won't decline too much. We want you all to stay in and active. And guess what? There's no such thing as a wrong prompt, because we can make something out of what may feel like a grasping for straws. All right, so I'm challenging everyone to be optimistic in the kinds of questions you want to ask, in terms of your effort. Right, just bring it, and then we're gonna have a good time together. That's my hope. Well, let's start with an icebreaker question in week one. Week one, we need some icebreakers, and we need to figure out who we are and kind of where we come from and what our familiarity with with this thing, with some of these mass media that we're going to talk about and read about in the class. So we want to here's the prompts for week one. Who are you? What are you studying? And for how long with us at MacU? And then, have you ever read a comic book or graphic novel? One or the other, they're kind of the same. A comic book or graphic novel. And if not, what is the earliest piece of superhero media that you remember consuming, right, or watching or reading or what have you, right, engaging with? And so we can start to think about media in different ways through that type of prompt. And I hope that we'll have different diverse answers that can help stress that. So I'm looking forward to hearing those questions from you: who you are, what you study here, how long you've been with us, and then if you've read a comic or graphic novel before, and if not, or maybe if you want to answer both, what was your introduction into things like superhero media, right? So film, television, cartoons, toys. I don't know, but think back, reflect on your origin encounter with superhero media, and then let us know, right? So just put that into a quick story. This is a low pressure situation. We're just having conversations that are what we call asynchronous, meaning we're having these conversation prompts and answers and responses to each other in different points in time. All right, simple as that. And any of your peer responses, which we want you all to engage with one another, those can be typed out, but your initial response is in video form as a prompt. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to these conversations with you.